quick test run of the GoPro head strap mount thingy. Yeah, we're about to go ride Seadoos. It's gonna be fun.
Can she do it? Yes, she can.
Nothing to it.
Well, we're on the Seadoos. Just loaded it up with Lauren's 400, as y'all saw. I did very well. Lauren and Knox over there having fun. I've ridden this thing for like 15 minutes the other day. Entering sport mode, see? That's what we want. Trim it up, you just ride a wheelie. I think we need a Lauren perspective.
You need help? Where did y'all get put in at?
By the ramp. We have a spot right there where that little pontoon is.
Okay. So they need to go where that pontoon boat is, right over there.
Okay.
She gonna wreck. Y'all, that's my mama. Hang on, boys. They already over there, didn't they say they had one of
They
those?
said that they still needed it. I tried to tell you, it's heavy. All right, you go on, and I got this. You got it.
Oh, this is a big old wave. Oh, y'all hold on. Y'all hold on. It's a bumper ride. Okay, we're okay. Those waves were massive. Holy smokes. I hope y'all enjoyed my adventures. I'm sure there will be more.
Go for a little rip. There's the swing for anyone that knows where I'm at. Looks like someone messed up the jumping place. The rock is way down there. If y'all know Lay Lake. I don't think she's got hers in sport mode. I'm a lot faster. Rev limiter. Jeez. About to roast me. Oh, yeah, there it is. These things are illegally fun. I mean, it's insane how fun these things are. That's a freaking ocean boat. That's actually pretty small compared to what some people bring out here, which is ridiculous, but I know that thing's putting out some monster waves. See if we can't get a little air on them. Let's see. Oh yeah, all right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's old center console Allison. Nasty boat. Little baby waves. No wake zone. All right. Well, see you later. Oh my God. Those are pretty big. That's a big mama. Whoa, holy crap. Woo. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Oh, didn't hit that one good. Oh yeah. Whoa, holy crap. All right guys, that's it. Roll the outro.